हेलो नमस्ते, मैं हूं डॉक्टर सौरभ एंड वेलकम टू अवर चैनल सिंसियर ब्रेनरी। हम सभी जानते हैं कि व्हाट इज डीएनए, द सीक्वेंस ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड, द बेसिक जेनेटिक मटेरियल व्हिच कैरी इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर जनरेशन। एंड वी नो दैट ड्यूरिंग 1962 जब वॉटसन एंड क्रिक को नोबेल प्राइज मिला था फॉर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ डबल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डीएनए, so after that it has brought a remarkable revolution in the field of science. And you know that by studying the DNA we can identify the new species, we can identify the extinct species, we can study about their evolution, we can study about their speciation. And in the DNA fingerprinting you might have heard about the forensic sciences. We can identify the criminals and we can identify the cure for new diseases, and we can study about the heredity of a particular disease in your family. So you can see that there are plethora of applications of studying the DNA or DNA sequence. In this context, world's oldest DNA, it has been recovered from a million-year-old mammoth. So you can say that the world's oldest genome, it has been sequenced. Means till now the world's oldest genome, which belonged to a Siberian mammoth, it has been sequenced. So you can relate this topic with the UPSC syllabus under the section Science and Tech. So let's see what is its impact and how it would be useful, and how it has shed light on the evolution of the mammoth which lived during the Ice Age. So you can see that different news media sources, they have covered this news, and it's just 2 to 3 days back that world's oldest DNA sequenced belongs to a million-year-old Siberian mammoth excavated in 1970s. Or you can say that the oldest animal DNA ever recovered reveals mammoth's evolution. So इससे पहले जब जो ओल्डेस्ट डीएनए रिकॉर्ड का जो बात था, द ओल्डेस्ट जीनोम विच हैज बीन सीक्वेंस्ड, जो ये रिकॉर्ड था वो था एक कैनेडियन हॉर्स के नाम, ठीक है। तो during 2013 you can see the news that world's oldest genome sequenced from a 0.7 million year old horse DNA, ठीक है। So you can see that until now the oldest DNA, it came from a horse DNA that lived in Canada's Yukon territory. That about means you can say that 0.7 million year ago. But now this record has been broken, and ये जो था 2013 का न्यूज था, but now this record has been broken by the mammoth. So you can say that mammoth has beaten the horse in terms of record of the world's oldest genome which has been sequenced. Okay. So this is the means during that time, the 2013, so the oldest genome which was that time belonged to a horse from the Canada. Okay. So it was isolated from the leg bone, okay, from the horse who lived means 0.7 million year ago. Okay. And during that time it was the oldest genome to that date. Okay. But now we can see that now this record has been broken, and by the mammoth, Siberian mammoth, whose genome has been sequenced, recovered recently. And let's talk about this. So what are these mammoths? Actually a mammoth, you might have seen there in the many cartoon series or Jurassic Park type movies and other things. You might have seen these big size mammoths which are elephant की तरह ही दिखते हैं. You can say they are the distant cousins of elephants. Okay. So during the Ice Age they lived, actually during the Ice Age. So you can see that mammoths which belong to the genus Mammuthus, and they appeared in Africa approximately about 5 million years ago, and after that they migrated and to the northern hemisphere. And during the Pleistocene epoch, जो ये प्लेस्टोसीन इरा था, ये कब था? ये था 2.6 मिलियन ईयर टू 11.7 थाउजेंड ईयर अगो. ओके. सो दैट पीरियड इज नोन एज प्लेस्टोसीन इपोक. ओके. एंड ये जो प्लेस्टोसीन इपोक ही है, ड्यूरिंग दैट आइस एज occurred, actually the ice age occurred then, and during that time the glaciers covered the huge part of planet Earth. So you can see that the mammoth, they lived in the ice age. Okay. During that time, actually during the Pleistocene epoch, the mammoth lineage, they underwent evolutionary changes, and from that different mammoth species evolved, like southern mammoth, steppe mammoth, and later on they gave rise to the Columbian mammoth, that is North American mammoth, and woolly mammoth. Okay. But till now there was not clarity about their exact evolutionary relationship. Okay, means it was obscure. So right now we can say that scientists have recovered the oldest genome from the Siberian mammoth, and now they have some they have means clarified the evolution of this mammoth species. So what has happened actually? You can see that scientists, they have recorded that oldest DNA. It has been isolated. You can see it has been sequenced from the molar, means molars of the mammoth. Molar means molar teeth जो होते हैं, ठीक है. So molars of the mammoth, they roamed during the, means you can say about 1.2 million years ago. They roamed the Siberian northern eastern area. Okay, and actually they have sequenced the DNA from the 3 individual molars of the mammoths. Okay, तो उनको 3 इंडिविजुअल मोलर मिले हैं मैमोथ्स के, तो जिसको कि उन्होंने सीक्वेंस किया हुआ है. ओके, एंड उससे पहले अगर हम बात करें, विच वर एक्चुअली डिस्कवर्ड ड्यूरिंग 1970s. ओके, एंड दे वर प्रिजर्व्ड इन द परमाफ्रोस्ट. ओके, so you can see here that these 3 individuals which have been sequenced, molar of the mammoths which have been sequenced. Okay, these are the molar means molar teeth of those mammoths which have been sequenced, and one is that Chukochia. These are Russian names. I may be wrong in pronunciation. Krestovka and Edika. Okay, so you can see here that a genomic DNA, it was extracted from a trio of, means 3 of the tooth specimens which were excavated in 1970s. Okay, and this study later means led to the conclusion that mammoth which mammoth gave rise to a later North American mammoth species. So इसमें जो एक्चुअली ये जो तीनों हैं, ये these are the name of the rivers, and based on the locality जहाँ पे ये एक्चुअली specimen were found out, based on that locality they were named as Chukochia, Krestovka and Edika. Means actually these are the name of the rivers, but based on the locality where they have been found, they have been named as like this Krestovka and Edika etc. Okay, so इन तीनों में भी अगर हम आप देखें तो जब DNA एनालिसिस किया गया, इनका मतलब DNA स्टडी किया गया, they found that the oldest one is that belong to the this Krestovka species. Okay, so which was about 1.2 to 1.6 million year old. Okay, and another is Edika जो कि 1 to 1.2 million year old था, और जो चुकोचिया था that is about 0.7 million year old. ठीक है, तो अगर हम खुद की बात करें, Homo sapiens, our own DNA means we are just appeared roughly about, you can say about 0.3 million years ago, but you can see here that this is the about 1.2 to 1.65 million year old. So the oldest genome which has been sequenced now, and that is Krestovka. Okay, so in that, see, you can see that ancient genome which have been sequenced, if we talk about the humans or animals. Okay, Holocene epoch tha, human era. Okay, so about we lived about less than 0.4 million year ago, means 0.3. Okay, something like that. Then early Neanderthal, ठीक है, ये भी एक ह्यूमन सेपियंस टाइप स्पीसीज थे. ओके, means which have now been extinct. Okay, they were actually extinct species थे, and they were Arachic humans थे who lived in Eurasia. and जो अभी recent day जो हम Homo sapiens हैं, तो we are like that, we are means anatomically modern Homo sapiens है. ठीक है, बट ये जो थे मीन्स अगर हम नेंडरथल की बात करें तो दे वर एरेकिक ह्यूमंस थे जो कि लिव्ड इन यूरेशिया, नाउ दे आर एक्सटिंक्ट, एंड दे लिव्ड इन दैट मीन्स अबाउट 0.4 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो. एंड देन जो हॉर्स लेग बोन था, जो जिसके नाम पहले रिकॉर्ड था कि टू बी द ओल्डेस्ट जीनोम विच हैव बीन सीक्वेंस्ड, मीन्स अबाउट 0.7 मिलियन ईयर अगो. Then, but recently, you can see here that Chukochia, Edika, and Krestovka means more than 1 million year old genome which has now been sequenced. Okay. So in that construct, if you see the world oldest genome, means how it is useful, means what is the benefit. Okay. So you can see that world's oldest DNA, it unlocks the lineage of Ice Age mammoths. Okay. So by studying this, means by sequencing or by studying the whole genome sequence of this genome which has been recovered. They have gained the insight on about the evolution of the mammoths and their migration, and by comparing the latest genome sequence which have been available, means that is about 4,000 years old. Okay, so scientists, they compare those sequences, and they have found about the conclusion regarding the evolution and migration of the mammoths. Okay, सो इसमें एक्चुअली एक मेजर फाइंडिंग ये जो साइंटिस्ट ने दे फाइंड आउट दैट द मेजर फाइंडिंग इज दैट जो यू कैन सी दैट बुली मैमोथ, जो ये बुली मैमोथ में ये हेयर्स हैं, ओके, एंड जो ज़्यादा ये डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ फैट्स होता है, ठीक है, विच इज़ हेल्पफुल फॉर विच वाज हेल्पफुल फॉर दैम मीन्स ड्यूरिंग द आइस एज, ठीक है, टू सेव दैम फ्रॉम द एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड. ओके, सो ये जो करेक्टर थे मीन्स ये बुली मैमोथ में, दे आल्सो फाउंड दैट actually they did not inherit those characters during the ice age, but what they started means inheriting those characters before that even, जो ice age से पहले से ही ये जो करेक्टर हैं उनमें आना शुरू हो गए थे. मीन्स इस तरह से मतलब नेचर का इवोल्यूशन इस तरह से कि ओके दे हैव टू लिव इन द आइस एज, सो नेचर इटसेल्फ हैज स्टार्टेड इवॉल्विंग देम लाइक दैट के बुली हेयर्स थे, काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेयर होंगे, डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ फैट्स होंगे, सो दैट विल हेल्प देम टू सर्वाइव इन द आइस एज. ओके, and then another thing is that scientists found that Siberian mammoth में सिर्फ एक ही स्पीसीज नहीं थी बल्कि दो स्पीसीज थी. Earlier it was thought that the Siberian mammoth they belong to only one species, but now the scientists concluded that there were two different lineages, okay, of the mammoths which lived in the Siberia. Okay, so based on the genome sequence analysis, they scientists further concluded that this जो Columbian mammoth है, means North American mammoth है, actually that is a result of interbreeding, means a admixture from the cross of that is a result of cross between bully mammoth और जो unrecognized ancient mammoth lineage है, जो कि हम कह सकते हैं कि जो क्रेस्टोब का जो स्पीसीज है. ओके, तो इन दोनों का क्रॉस से जो नॉर्थ अमेरिकन मैमोथ था तो वो उससे इवॉल्व हुआ था कि दैट वाज द रिजल्ट ऑफ अ मिक्सचर बिटवीन बुली मैमोथ एंड प्रीवियसली अनरिकॉग्नाइज्ड दैट क्रेस्टोब का मैमोथ स्पीसीज. ओके, so you can see here that these mammoths this is belongs to the elephant genus, and sorry, this is the elephant genus, and that is separate, and these mammoths are separate. You can see that mammoths are the cousins of elephant के cousin हैं. Okay, रिश्तेदार हैं उनके ही, उन्हीं की तरह दिखते हैं, उनके रिश्तेदार हैं. Okay, so you can see here that ये different lineage है और ये different lineage है. Okay, so they found that in this study they found that जो एडिका स्पीसीज है, हमने तीन सीक्वेंस अभी जो तीन स्पेसिमेन सीक्वेंस किए ना, एडिका, चुकोचिया एंड क्रेस्टोब का, तो दे फाउंड दैट जो एडिका स्पीसीज है, ओके, इट बिलोंग टू द लीनिएज फ्रॉम विच द बुली मैमोथ इवोल्व्ड. ओके, बुली मैमोथ इज मैमोथमस प्रिमिजीनियस. ओके, एंड जो दूसरा क्रेस्टोब का है, एक्चुअली दैट बिलोंग टू द डिफरेंट लीनिएज, एंड they say that it could be a different species even, but that belong to the different lineage, not to the this lineage. So Adica जो और Chukochia they belong to the lineage which gave rise to the bully mammoth, जिससे कि bully mammoth निकला, मतलब bully mammoth का evolution हुआ. और जो आपका क्रेस्टोब का है, that actually that belong to the different lineage which and further जो आपका latest नॉर्थ अमेरिकन mammoth है, मतलब कोलम्बियन mammoth है, that was the result of hybridization between the means crossing between the bully mammoth and क्रेस्टोब का जो लीनिएज है उसकी जो कोई स्पीसीज है, मतलब क्रॉस होके जो नॉर्थ अमेरिकन मैमोथ है वो इवॉल्व हुआ होगा. ठीक है, सो यू कैन से दैट दिस कोलम्बियन मैमोथ जो है, ठीक है, दे हैव देयर हाफ एंसेस्ट्री जो है, जिनका हाफ जीनोम है, डेट बिलोंग टू दिस क्रेस्टोब का मैमोथ, एंड जो इसका हाफ जीनोम है डेट बिलोंग टू दिस बुली मैमोथ. एंड दे क्लेम दैट दिस जो ये इंटरब्रीडिंग है, इट माइट हैव टेकन इट माइट हैव अकर्ड अराउंड अबाउट 4,20,000 ईयर्स अगो. ओके, सो एक्चुअली इसमें भी जो मेजर जीनोम है दैट इज माइटोजीनोम जो है इसका, that is from the bully mammoth से है. Mitogenome is that is inherited from the female parent only. तो you can see that जो bully mammoth थे they were used as the female parent, and जो ये क्रेस्टोब का lineage के mammoth थे they were used as the male parent. Okay, and which further resulted into the evolution of the bully mammoth. Okay, sorry, Colombian mammoth. So if you want to read in detail about this research, here is the I have given the citation to that paper which has been published in the journal Nature in 2021 recently. Okay. So what is the significance of this study actually? What is the main conclusion of this study? So you can see that by studying this study, it shed light on that scientists were curious to discover a million-year-old DNA, and now they have found that क्योंकि उससे पहले जो था that was about more than 1 million year old DNA. उससे पहले जो था वो horse था, that is 0.7 million year old, but now this is more than 1 million year old DNA which has been recovered. Okay, and then this is also the first example, first genetic evidence from the ancient DNA of hybrid speciation. You might use, जैसा कि हमने देखा कि जो कोलम्बियन ममोथ है, that is the result of hybridization between the जो बुली मेमोथ है और क्रेस्टोबका लीनिएज के जो मेमोथ हैं उनके बीच का. ठीक है. सो इसका मतलब ये कि हाइब्रिड स्पेसीज मीन्स इट आल्सो शेड इनटू लाइट की जो नई स्पीसीज हैं that कैन आल्सो बी फाउंड फ्रॉम द मिक्सिंग ऑफ 2 डिफरेंट स्पीसीज. मतलब 2 डिफरेंट स्पीसीज की मिक्सिंग से नई स्पीसीज बन सकती है. ओके, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट जेनेटिक एविडेंस इन द एंशिएंट, मतलब हम बात करें तो. ओके, और देन अनदर थिंग इज दैट, हालांकि ये चीज़ अभी क्लियर नहीं है कि जो उनमें कूल क्लाइमेट को सहन करने की जो उनमें ट्रेड्स थे, जैसे लॉन्ग हेयर्स है ना, एंड डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ फैट टिश्यूज, एंड मीन्स at what time they were evolved, and means what is their evolutionary history. Okay, but they found, the scientists have speculated that that is also that also happened about more than 1 million year old, more than 1 million year ago. Okay, and then this जो क्रेस्टोबका जो DNA है, the oldest genome which has been sequenced now, it also leads to the possibility of excavating even other older remains. ठीक है, क्योंकि जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं कि जो साइबेरियन परमाफ्रोस्ट है डेट हैज स्टार्टेड मेल्टिंग, वो मेल्ट होना शुरू हो गई है ड्यू टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. सो ये भी हो सकता है कि जो अदर दूसरे इससे भी पुराने जो ओल्ड स्पेसिमेन है दे में पॉप्ड अप. ओके, एंड दिस सीक्वेंसिंग ऑफ दिस मोर देन 1 मिलियन ईयर ओल्ड जीनोम, इट हैज क्रिएटेड द होप, मीन्स कि हम इससे भी पुराने और हमें स्पेसिमेन मिल सकते हैं, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली ड्यूरिंग द एक्सकावेशन, बिकॉज साइबेरियन परमाफ्रोस्ट इट हैज आल्सो स्टार्टेड मेल्टिंग. मतलब ओके, अगर हम ह्यूमंस की बात करें तो अभी तक का ओल्डेस्ट ह्यूमन रिलेटिव है दैट इज नोन एज होमिनिन. ओके, एंड जिसका कि डीएनए अभी तक कंफर्म किया जा चुका है, सीक्वेंस किया जा चुका है. ओके, एंड दैट लिव्स अबाउट यू कैन से दैट 0.4 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो. ओके, बट साइंटिस्ट हैव नाउ स्पेकुलेटिंग दैट ये भी हो सकता है कि हमें कुछ और स्पेसिमेन मिलें. ओके, कि जो कि इससे भी पुराने हों, तो वी कैन से दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट मोर million year old remains of ancient human relatives and ancestor that can be found now. Okay, so अभी although जो ये fully genome sequence जो है that we can say that क्रेस्टोब का जो mammoth species है, okay, lineage है, तो you can say that it is now the oldest genome which has been now sequenced. Okay, till date. Okay, but ऐसी there are other species भी हैं जो इससे भी पुरानी हैं, मीन्स यू कैन सी दैट जिनका बट उनका डीएनए नहीं है, बट उनका प्रोटीन जो है प्रोटीन सीक्वेंस भी है अवेलेबल. ओके, लाइक यू कैन सी हियर इन 2016 में साइंटिस्ट एक्सट्रैक्टेड द ओल्डेस्ट एवर प्रोटीन फ्रॉम 3.8 मिलियन ईयर ओल्ड ऑस्ट्रिच एग शेल्स इन टेंजानिया में. ओके, सो in conclusion I can say that this study it has shed light on the means we can study the extinct species about their evolution, about their speciation, how they evolved, and hope so कि जैसे कि अदर एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीसीज हैं, जैसे कि हमारे डायनासोर्स थे, ठीक है, विच got extinct during means about 66 million year ago. So hope so कि somehow we may be capable of sequencing those genomes, maybe. Okay, so in this context then because that would be more helpful in understanding the exact evolution and speciation of those species, because the जो morphological basis पे जो characterization होती है, morphological analysis या bones या teeth जो हमें मिलते हैं, उसके बेस पे जो characterization होती है actually that is not exact actually, but based on the genome sequence, means DNA sequence, we can exactly narrate about the exact evolution as speciation, yeah, but by the evolutionary relationships or what changes they undergone during that time. So with this, I would like to end today's video, and I hope you might have find some interesting things in this lecture. If you like the video, kindly share करें, subscribe करें, and like करें. With this, I would like to thank you, and if you have any queries, you can mail us in the mail ID we have provided here. Thank you very much.